Well, I'm here in Tahoe, California. This is my first day of really traveling on my own. Got the bike packed up. The plan is to head up towards Tahoe because I want to take Highway 395 up to Oregon. It's kind of like a little bit more high plains, desert type riding. I think it'd be kind of nice. I've never actually traveled that part in all my life, so I'm kind of curious to see what's there. And I've traveled the I-5, 101, a lot already, so kind of nice. I'm planning on going to Camino Cove, which is like this free camping area that's kind of out in the forest area. So it's not very easy to get to theoretically, so I'm going to try and make it out there. But if I'm unsuccessful, I'll double back and then get back to the main road, which leads up to Tahoe, and then find a hotel. There's a few like Motel 6s and stuff like that. So I'll probably do that tonight if I can't find a campground. Campgrounds in California right now, they're booked, all of them. You cannot make reservations at all. I'm kind of hoping that the fires and the end of summer will make it so there'll be a lot less people. But this first trek is going to be through Livermore, Sacramento, a lot of freeway riding. It's Sunday, so it shouldn't be hopefully that much traffic. So we'll see how it goes. So the road I'm looking for is in about 3 miles, called Ice House Road. This is beautiful right through here. Seems to be a lot of traffic leaving Tahoe. That might be kind of good for me. Might mean that I might actually get a campsite. Even though it looks kind of smoky, it still smells really fresh. I don't smell the smoke, but I can see it.
Continue on Ice House Road for half a mile.
Okay, this is where the adventure begins. See what happens. Okay, so I'm getting closer. 2.7 miles. It's been a really windy 2-lane road. Now it's just a 1-lane road. There's no fires allowed at all. You even need a permit to use a stove, which is kind of interesting. A lot of fires. You got to be very careful here.
Continue on El Dorado National Forest Road for 3 miles.
Someone's been doing donuts up here. Fire restrictions. Pack it in, pack it out. This is bear country. Stay on the road. Yeah, I actually saw quite a bit of campsites just right off the road. So there are sites up here. So let's see what is up here. Wow, look at this. even knew this was here. People out there fishing. Electrical hydro. I didn't even know that. Huh. Spillway, or the feed for the electrical generator. Yeah, a lot of people. It's like a launch ramp right there. A lot of people fishing. Nice. That looked like a trail going down there. This actually, luckily for Google Maps. Oh, shit. Construction zone. Keep out. Hard hat, safety vest required beyond this point. Shit. Closure notice. Okay, let me go check it out. To all public use. No overnight camping, no day use, no beach access. From July 19th through December 31st. Oh my God, the whole area is closed, which is a bummer. Okay, getting close to Wolf Creek Campground. It theoretically has beach access, and the road seems to go there, so getting pretty close. Let's see if it's closed. If it's closed, I suspect all the campgrounds are closed due to fire, perhaps. A lot of logging going on here. I don't know if they're trying to make breaks for the fire or if they're actually logging. Called slash piles. They usually burn them in the winter. There's a lot of loose gravel on the road and a bunch of spots back there. Now I'm kind of paranoid. Gates open. That's a good sign. And there's people here. So let's see if I can find a spot.
You've arrived.
Okay, made it to Wolf Creek Campground here in Folsom, California. The water is way down there. Theoretically, you can go swimming in it. I'm going to talk to some of the people around here and see if you can. All the free, according to the host of this campground, all the free campgrounds I don't know in California or just this region, are closed, all of them. So he said there's no more free camping. So $28 a night. It's a little more expensive than I thought. Might have to do the Airbnb thing a lot sooner than I had expected. Maybe Oregon will be a little different. We'll see. And maybe different counties will be different as well. I'll just have to check it out online, see what I can find out. But for the night, I'm going to set up camp. No fires permitted. You can use propane in the designated campgrounds that you pay for. No permit required. So that's kind of nice, even though I pretty much just eat bagels and trail mix and drink water, so that's not going to be a problem anyway. I'm going to go for a hike and check out the campground a little bit. I'll catch you guys later.